Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. This is the final of the WTT champion Macao 2023. Ma Long lost 0-4 to Wang Chuqin in the final. What happened? Ma Long lost to Wang Chuqin by 0. 4, 10-12, 1-11, 8-11, 7-11 in the final of WTT champions Macao. Next, he will attend closed training in Chengdu in preparation for the upcoming WTTC in Durban. Ma Long Wang Chuqin warms up before the men's singles final. The final of the WTT Macao 2023 between Ma Long and Wang Chuqin was highly anticipated, with Ma Long being a veteran of the game at 34 years old and Wang Chuqin being a rising star at just 22 years old. The head-to-head score was in favor of Wang Chuqin at 6-2, which made the match all the more interesting. Unfortunately for Ma Long and his fans, the match did not go in his favor as he was dominated by Wang Chuqin, losing 0, 4, 10, 12, 1, 11, 8, 11, 7, 11 in the end. Ma Long's experience and expertise in the game were no match for Wang Chuqin's youth and skill. The first game was highly contested with a score of 10-12 in favor of Wang Chuqin. Ma Long fought hard, but he was unable to overcome Wang Chuqin's aggressive playing style. In the second game, Ma Long was completely outplayed by Wang Chuqin, losing with a score of 1-11. The third game was another close call, but Wang Chuqin managed to maintain his lead and win with a score of 8-11. In the fourth and final game, Ma Long tried to make a comeback, but it was too little too late. Wang Chuqin continued to dominate the match, ultimately winning the game and the tournament with a score of 7-11. Although Ma Long lost the match, he still displayed his impressive skills and experience in the game. However, it was clear that Wang Chuqin's youth and talent were too much for him to handle on this occasion. Is it the end? Should Ma Long retire after losing this match? Some players say that Ma Long should retire. No, he is still the top player in the world. While Ma Long's loss in the final of the WTT Macao 2023 to Wang Chuqin was a disappointing result, it does not necessarily mean that he should retire from the sport. Ma Long is a highly accomplished player with numerous accolades and titles to his name, and it is not uncommon for players to experience losses and setbacks throughout their careers. Retirement should be a personal decision that takes into account a variety of factors, including physical health, personal goals, and overall enjoyment of the sport. It is also important to note that Ma Long has continued to perform at a high level in recent years, and there is no reason to believe that he cannot continue to do so in the future. His loss to Wang Chuqin may have been a tough pill to swallow, but it does not necessarily mean that he should retire from the sport he loves. Ultimately, the decision to retire should be left up to Ma Long and his personal circumstances. Fans and spectators can continue to enjoy his impressive skills and contributions to the sport, regardless of whether or not he chooses to retire. The final of the WTT Macao 2023 between Ma Long and Wang Chuqin was a great display of talent and skill. Wang Chuqin was the deserved winner, and Ma Long can take pride in his performance, despite the loss. It will be interesting to see how their rivalry develops in the future.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.